Are you looking for some fresh interior design ideas for your medium-sized apartment? Do you want to make the most of your limited space and create a cozy and stylish living environment? If so, you are not alone. Many people face the challenge of decorating their apartments without compromising on functionality, comfort, or aesthetics. In this video, we will share with you some of the latest trends and tips on how to transform your apartment into a modern and inviting home. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you several tips and tricks for creating a contemporary modern style in your apartment. So, without further ado, let's get into it. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and tips for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. Welcome to part 5th of our video series on fresh interior design solution for modern medium-sized apartment. In this video, we'll be focusing on furniture placement and organization in your apartment. From clever built-in solutions to multifunctional furniture, we will explore various design ideas to help you make the most of your living space. Stay tuned for some innovative and practical tips. Let's start my presentation with this apartment. Welcome to this stunning ground-level medium-sized apartment surrounded by a lush garden. As we step inside, we are greeted by a beautifully arranged patio perfect for enjoying the serene surroundings. The bright open space features huge floor-to-ceiling windows that let in an abundance of natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The hardwood floors add a touch of elegance to the space, making it feel both stylish and cozy. The apartment is tastefully furnished and decorated with modern and comfortable furniture that complements the overall aesthetic of the space. Let's take a look at another beautiful ground-level medium-sized apartment. As we step inside, you'll notice the long and bright open space with large floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the entire space. The hardwood floors add a warm and inviting touch to the overall aesthetic of the apartment. On one side of the open space, we have the living and kitchen zone. The living area is spacious and perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long day. On the other side of the open space, we have the dining area zone. The dining area is defined by a stylish dining table and chairs, creating a separate but connected space to enjoy meals with family and friends. Here we have another beautiful medium-sized apartment with quite large open space. A large section is reserved for the living dining area. The kitchen is somehow separated into a corner. Again, hardwood flooring throughout, soft, neutral and warm color palette. I will end my presentation with this medium-sized apartment from the image. L-shaped open space again divided into two zones. This time living area and a large kitchen dining area. The wall's color matches the color of the hardwood floor and comes in a beautiful contrast with the color of the furniture and kitchen cabinets. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video of fresh interior design solutions for modern medium-sized apartment number 5. If you like any of the designs featured in this video, please let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more amazing interior design ideas. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends and themes for your home. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.